Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Xbox Game Bar on a Windows PC or laptop. I'll also explain what to do if you can't find it in the Microsoft Store. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my content. Let's get started. The easiest way to install Xbox Game Bar is through the Microsoft Store. Click the Windows Start button on the taskbar, then open the Microsoft Store. Once the store opens, go to the search bar at the top and type Xbox Game Bar. If it appears in the results, select it and click Install. Now, if you don't see Xbox Game Bar in the Microsoft Store, don't worry. Check the link in the description. It's a direct link to Xbox Game Bar on Microsoft's official website. From there, click Download. The installer will download automatically. Open it, follow the steps, and Xbox Game Bar will be installed on your PC. To open Xbox Game Bar at any time, simply press Windows key plus G on your keyboard. And that's it. You've successfully installed Xbox Game Bar on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Windows tutorials.